let's see how to read books on iPad and take notes. In the first step, go to Settings and press Display and Brightness. Then set Auto Lock to stay on for longer. Now, turn on True Tone for easy reading. In the next step, go to Settings and choose Accessibility. Then press Spoken Content and turn on Speak Selection. Then switch on Reduce Motion for a better view. In the next step, open the Books app and select a book. Later, hold on text and tap Highlight. Later, press the note symbol to add a comment. In the next step, open the Notes app and start a fresh note. Later, tap the share icon in Books to move highlights here. Later, arrange notes using titles or bullet points. In the next step, open the Books app and go to the Contents list. Then tap Highlights and Notes to see all saved text. After that, use Search to find notes fast. You are good to go.